how to delete Gmail account. So if you want to delete your Gmail account, then first you need to open up your browser, your Chrome browser. And once you open your browser, now I'll put you a link in the description so that it will be easy for you. So you can simply go for the link. And once you click on the link, make sure to log into your account. And once you log in, it will take you to this page. So now you can simply go for delete your account, which is on the second option. And now you need to verify by entering your password. So enter your password of your Gmail or your Google account and hit the next button. And now if you want to download your data, then you can click on download so that you can download your data before you delete your account. But if you don't want to, then skip that part and scroll down. And here you will have these boxes. Click on these boxes and then click on delete account. And once you click on delete account, your account will be deleted. So that's how you delete your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.